It's me, Never, and welcome back to Pixelmon, Gotta Catch 'em All, Episode 3. And today I see a boss Venomoth over there that I'm gonna try to take, because I might actually be able to take it this time. So yeah, I'm gonna come up here, and what the freak? Okay, that thing just took off. Probably would not have been able to take it anyway. But guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. If you haven't watched last episode and need a bit of a refresher, I was able to make some Pokeballs to start off. Not that many, just a few. But I was able to capture Spinarak and Ghastly, thus getting my first two Pixelmon off the Pokédex, or I guess you could say Pixel Dex. So yeah, in this episode, I might try to catch another Pokemon. I might try to train some Pokemon up, things like that. And yeah, I'm gonna make some, put that in there. Okay, that is an Ultra Ball disc. We can now catch a Pokemon with the Ultra Ball disc. Get that up, okay. Put that in there, that in there, that in there, and Ultra Ball. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna get that and start cooking that. So yeah, if you guys did indeed miss the last episode and you still want to check that out, be sure to do that as well. But in the meantime, I'm actually going to plant one right there. There we go. And one of the blue ones. And actually, I'm going to take that out and I'm going to start cooking those so I can get a red one and make another great ball as well. So yeah, guys, just thank you so much on so many levels for watching this series. It has been you guys, I guess, have been a big help. If you have been watching the series, I would love to see some more of your continued support, and yeah, which will lead up to even more content in the future. Make great ball disc. There we go. And place that there. And there we go. Bada bing, bada bam, bada boom. And there we go, 2 more great balls. So yeah, we got 2 great balls and an ultra ball. And I'm actually just going to go down here and maybe try to catch a new Pokemon. I'm kind of hoping to catch a flying type. But today, so I can start flying around places. But yeah, and I'm just going to go Vine Whip. Scary face. Ooh, rough skin hurt. Oh yeah, they added abilities in this. So, okay, there we go. 16, 17. Oh yeah, Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, 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 Soar. Yes. Okay. Here we go. Ivysaur. Very first evolution. And that's another Pokemon off the Pokédex. I love how it has a little missing no hearts as this is doing. Evolved into an Ivysaur. Let's check it out. Well, bam. Actually, wait, no, that's not very good because it was glitching. Still glitching into a block. Okay, let's see. There we go. It's kind of tiny. Actually, is this... I have a feeling this is kind of... Oh, this thing's pygmy, huh? It's the smallest you can get, but whatever. Not going to be too picky. So, yeah, that's, I guess, another really good thing about this. And let's see... What am I going to do? I might try to head back to the ravine today and get some more of that stuff done. Because I would love to do more of that. I'm actually going to train up these two today, kind of, I guess. Let's see. Next Pixelmon. Let's go F. It's a key I always like to use. Okay. Here we go. Spinarak. Spinarak is obviously going to lose this battle if it uses tackle like that. So I'm just going to use Vine Whip and Vine Whip this thing to death. And tackle it. And take it downtown. Okay, Spinarak gained some XP. Also with Ivysaur. Ivysaur's not going to gain that much, obviously, though. Actually, there's some more melons up here. I'm going to try to get some more of these. So I can have some quick food. So yeah, though, that was actually really good progress last episode. I hope to make a lot more progress this episode as well. Kind of just to help the series grow and make it even better, because I love doing this. I love recording and playing Pixelmon, and I don't know if you guys do or not, but I really like it. And sorry for the bit of background noise. Sister might be practicing piano. I'm actually just going to turn the yeah, there we go, master volume up. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, level 19 Magikarp. Should be able to get some decent XP from this if it doesn't come out Ivysaur, which it shouldn't. Bang Whip.
Magikarp.
Okay, Spinnerack level 9. Okay, Spinnerack isn't getting that much XP actually. So I might try to head to the ravine and kind of go into the forest, I guess. There's a Psyduck, but I really don't want a water type on my team. Oddish right there. Don't really want another grass type at this point. A red apricorn. A Pidgeotto. Oh crap. Run. Maybe. Okay, yeah, escaped. It's good. This is a Butterfree. And actually, wait. What level is this thing at? Oh, there's no way I'm taking that. Let's see. Any kind of Pokemon around here that would give me some good XP? Ooh. 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 I want this so bad. Ooh. Let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can find it. I want one of these so bad. I want one of these really bad. Okay, let's go. Poison Sting. Please don't kill. Aw, no. Hypnosis. Freak. Hypnosis. Come on, hit. Aw, dang. I'm just gonna go for a Great Ball. One Great Ball. This will probably never work, but I can always try. Yeah, it's just gonna pop right out of there. Yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna give up on that Groundle. I don't want to use too many of my Pokeballs on that. So I should kill myself and heal my Pokemon. And yep, here we go. Whew. So yeah, this is probably going to end up being kind of a shorter episode because the last two were long, and I can't make long episodes forever, as much as you guys may indeed like them. I cannot continue to do that for eternity. I would like to, but however, I cannot. So let's see. Actually, I'm probably going to get more cobble cooking, so I might mine some and get it in there. So let's see. Emolga? Not really what I want. Let's see, where is a good Pixelmon that I could battle? There should be some. I just don't get why these things aren't spawning as often as they should be. This is making me a little disappointed because I would like to see some more of these Pixelmon. What's that? It's a Pidgey. Pidgey might be good. Oh, it's flying. It's a flying Pidgey. I might actually see if it rests. There we go. It's resting down there. Here we go, Pidgey. Spinnerack. Poison Sting. Switch out to Ghastly. Hypnosis. Great Ball.
Gas.
Yes! Okay. I got Pidgey on my team. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, that's some pretty good progress right there. Got a Pidgey, very first flying type. I can train that into a Pixelmon that can actually fly. So, that was a really good catch right there on my part. I'm actually gonna get some more of this cobble over here so I can start cooking it into some buttons and stuff when I get back. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to look around in here. There's another Pidgey up there, but okay, that's over there. Pachyrisu's all over the place. I don't really want to catch one though. Just not right now. Let's see. I really do want to do some training this episode. So, what would be a good place to do that? Because there's not that many Pixelmon spawning around here. I might need to up the spawn rates of Pixelmon some, so I can get a bit more commonly ones spawning. Okay. See how my farm is growing? I'm gonna get some of those out and put that in there. It's a Venipede. It's a Venipede.
Magikarp.
Huh.
Magikarp.
Let me get some more of these. And more of those. And that's going to be about it, probably. Okay, I'm going to put some of those in there and put, actually, oh, dang it, I need to make some more iron discs. Here we go, I need to get them. I'm just going to switch those for that. And I'm going to make another and combine these two because that one's obviously going to break soon. Okay, there we go. Some of those, some buttons, some Pokeballs. Get some Pokeballs up in here. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna try to get for now. Where is that Arbok actually? I kinda like to find it. Cause actually, Bug-type Pokemon, yeah. If I could put it to sleep with Ghastly and then have Pidgey come in, it's clean up.
Ghastly.
Okay, there we go. Let's go Hypnosis. Let's go Pidgey. Gust.
Magikarp. Goldeen. Goldeen. Magikarp. Magikarp.
Come on, Pidgey. Let's go Ivysaur. Maybe he'll be able to do some damage.
Carp. Goldeen. Magikarp.
There we go.
Magikarp.
Let's go Pidgey.
Magikarp.
Gust. 13, 14. Okay, 18 Ivysaur. Okay, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna. Oh, what?
Goldeen. Goldeen.
Okay. Let's see.
Goldeen. Goldeen. Goldeen.
Switch out with Ivysaur.
Carp. Goldeen. Goldeen. Goldeen.
Magikarp fainted. Actually, I'm gonna battle some of those Goldines.
Goldeen. 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 Carp. Goldeen.
Okay, here we go, Ivysaur.
Goldeen. Goldeen.
Ivysaur.
Goldeen.
Final begin, let's go. Okay, 14 Pidgey.
Goldeen.
Ivysaur. Ivysaur.
Goldeen.
Let's go, Vine Whip.
Goldeen. Goldeen.
Go. Goldeen. Pidgey level 17. I mean, 15. Thinkity Ball's at 16, so one more level. We'll be good to go on the Pidgey. I'm actually just gonna go over here. Wish there were more of those, because there's just a mother load of those over there. Oh, actually, Venipede would be nice training for Pidgey. Venipede, get over here. Oh my gosh, this Venipede is being quite a butt. Okay. Fight me. Ah! You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna fight the Venonat instead. Yeah, here we go. Oh crap, I probably need to switch out to Ghastly. Use Lick.
Ghastly.
Use Lick again. Oh crap, Pidgey, let's go, quick attack. Oh, I guess it does evolve at 16. I thought it did. That might be another Pokemon. Hey, Munchlax. Oh, he didn't want to join the team today either, I guess. Okay, I actually want that really bad. I legitimately want this thing so bad.
Ivysaur. Ivysaur.
Come on, Pokeball. Come on, I really want a Pinsir. It'd be so cool if I could get this Pinsir right now.
Ivysaur.
Oh no. No, go Ultra Ball maybe? What? What? Oh no. No, no, don't do this to me. No. Well, stupid error thing. Oh, what? Aw. Well, might as well / kill myself. What? Oh, yeah. I gotta open it to land and give myself cheats. There are Magikarps and Goldings over here, I think.
Magikarp.
Hmm.
Magikarp. Magikarp. Carp. Carp.
Let's see if it works.
Magikarp. Magikarp.
Imagine if it actually worked.
Carp.
Oh, it did work.
Magikarp.
I got a Magikarp now. What do you know? I didn't even think that would happen. But, okay. Let's see.
Magikarp. Carp.
Hey, Steven. I want to fight you. Oh, crap. He's got a star on me. I
Ivysaur.
think he probably knows a psychic type move.
Carp. Magikarp.
Carp.
Gas.
Magikarp.
Let's use Lick. Oh, crap. That thing is good.
Goldeen. Goldeen. Carp.
Carp.
Oh, he's dead. And Spinnerack. Yeah,
Magikarp.
they're all dead.
Ma-
So yeah, goal for this episode is gonna be to evolve at least one more of my Pokemon I've gotten so far. I hope that can happen, but if it doesn't, then what the heck? I tried my best. Oh, hey, little Venonat. Aren't you just the cutest little thing? Okay. Let's go, Gust. Let's go, Gust again. Oof. Let's go, Gust one more time. Let's go, Gust. Come on, Gust. There we go.
Magikarp.
18 Whirlwind. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Pidgeotto. Ba-bing, bada-bam. Here we go, you guys. Pidgey has been officially evolved into Pidgeotto. That is another Pokemon off the Pokédex. And yeah. But I actually want to do a bit more training. I don't really want to evolve another Pokemon, but I do want to do a bit more training to wrap this episode up, kind of. Because I don't really want to end it that early. Okay. And here is Pidgeotto, which does really need a model update. I can't ride Pidgeotto, can I? No, I can ride Pidgeot, but not Pidgeotto.
Magikarp.
I need to do some training on my Spinnerack, yeah.
Magikarp.
I couldn't find the words there for a second.
Magikarp.
There's that
Magikarp.
Pinsir I want to fight. Pinsir, get over here.
Magikarp.
Oh, this baby at? Oh crap, 33. Let's go. I'm just gonna go Ultra Ball and see what happens. I swear, if that internal server thing happens again, I'm respawning this. No, yeah, that's not gonna happen. Okay, let's go Pidgeotto. Let's go Gust. Oh crap,
Ivysaur.
Ivysaur maybe? Leech Seed.
Ivysaur.
Take down. Oh crap,
Ghastly.
go to sleep maybe?
Ghast. Ghastly.
Lick. Wait, does this thing have no moves that can affect me? I think it has no moves that can affect me. Oh my gosh, hold on. Let me see. Let's go Spinnerack. Then let's go... Oh, Ivysaur is glitched. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Ghastly. Ghast.
I think I'm stuck in this battle.
Ghastly.
Yeah, I'm stuck in this battle.
Magikarp. Goldeen.
So let's kill. And yeah, guys, I think I'm about to wrap this episode up. Thank you guys so much for watching episode 3 of Pixelmon. Gotta catch them all with me, never. We got 3 more Pokemon off the, actually no, 4 off the Pokédex. We got Ivysaur off, we got Pidgey and Pidgeotto off the Pokédex, and we got Magikarp off the Pokédex today, guys. It was a really awesome episode. I enjoyed playing today, and we'll see you guys in episode 4.